The Elements of Non-Euclidean Geometry by D.M.Y. Sommerville. Chapter 2, Elementary Hyperbolic Geometry, Section 5, Theorem on the Transversal. If a transversal meets two lines making the sum of the interior angles on the same side equal to two right angles, the two lines cannot meet and are not parallel. Let PQ be a transversal cutting the two lines AA' and BB' in P and Q, figure 13, and making the sum of the angles APQ plus BQP equal to two right angles. Then, since the sum of the angles BQB plus B'QP equals pi, therefore the alternate angles APQ and B'QP are equal. Bisect PQ at M and draw MK perpendicular to AA' and ML perpendicular to BB'. Then the triangles MKP and MLQ are congruent and the angle KMP is equal to the angle LMQ. Therefore, KML is a straight line perpendicular to both AA' and BB'. By symmetry, if AA' and BB' meet on one side, they will also meet on the other. This is only possible in elliptic geometry. Also, if AA' and BB' are parallel in one sense, they will be parallel also in the opposite sense, which is only true in Euclidean geometry. Hence, in hyperbolic geometry, they neither intersect nor are parallel. It follows that if a transversal meets two parallel lines, it makes the sum of the interior angles on the side of parallelism less than two right angles. The Elements of Non-Euclidean Geometry. This book was written by D.M.Y. Sommerville, M.A. and Doctor of Science. It was published by the Open Court Publishing Company, London, G. Bell & Sons, Ltd. in 1919. And now is in the public domain. It is being read by Jim Renholt with programming and illustrations by Jim Renholt in 2019. Thank you for listening.